How to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step procedure on how can you make multiple YouTube channel with just one email or a single Gmail account. To do this, you have to first of all go to youtube.com. So open up your browser, type in youtube.com and log into your account. As logged in, the interface will look something like this. So click the U button from the top right hand side corner of your screen. After which, you simply want to go ahead and click on YouTube Studio from the list. As you go to YouTube Studio, you could find your channel. So this is the one. Then from the left hand side, scroll down to the bottom and go to Settings. As you go to Settings, you could see this pop-up window right over here. So go to Channels and then click on Advanced Settings. After you go to Advanced Settings, scroll down right to the bottom and click on Manage YouTube Contents. So when you come to this page, you want to then go ahead and select, or underneath your YouTube channel, click on Add or Manage your YouTube channels. As you've done it, so you could see all the channels that's associated with your account. Now then, to create one, you want to go ahead and click on Create a Channel. As you click on Create a Channel, it's going to go ahead and ask you to verify all sort of things. Just follow on the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully made a multiple YouTube channels with just one email. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.